Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can sign in and that two-factor is ready if required. Once done, pick the exact content to change, a tweet, bio, display name, or image, and open the Twitter app or web. Make sure you are on the correct account. Switching accounts now saves mess later. Next, locate the tweet or profile section you want to edit and tap the three dots or the Edit Profile button so you can begin making direct changes. Now make the actual edits. If Edit Tweet is enabled, open the editor and change words, links, or images. Otherwise, draft a corrected replacement and prepare to delete the old one. When changing profile fields, paste or type the new display name, handle, bio, or website and swap header or avatar images if needed. Once you enter changes, preview how they appear on mobile and desktop, because spacing, truncated text, and link previews can differ and affect how your audience reads it. Finish by saving edits and verifying the updated content appears on your timeline and on other devices. If changes don't show, refresh the page, clear app cache, or log out and back in. Sometimes propagation delays occur. If you still face issues, confirm you haven't hit character limits or image size constraints and make sure the app is updated. If necessary, report the problem to Twitter support and document steps you took so you can reproduce the issue for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.